Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Here's Ahmed Nasser from Beersate University. In this tutorial we want to teach you about Assembly 8086, how to begin and make your first application. We're gonna give you two demos and many examples in this series of tutorials about assembly language. So first thing you need to do is to get started with assembly. You need to download the emulator for assembly. You can find it on GitHub by going to this link in the description. So you need to download the zip file, and you just click here. Okay, we are downloading the file. It's about 2 megabyte. Okay, it's done. You just click on the file, minimize the screen. You need to copy this file into C. So basically just go My Computer and go C, and then you just drag and drop to the C the C directory. So basically we got the file in C. I just open up the file. We have the emulator here. You can just drag it and drop it into your taskbar. So here we got the emulator in our machine. So basically I just want to show you a few examples here. We have a lot of files here. So we have this file, the project number 1, the project number 2. So you can run each of these files without any problem. So in order to start with the assembly language, you need to run the emulator here, or the emulator. So just click on the emulator, and here just check for updated. I don't want to update this later. And here you just given this project. So this is project number 2. I have other project. If you go to, let me just save this. Okay, you can just I'm project number 2. So you can open a project here. If you go open, no, I don't want to save this. So if you go to my build, you gotta see the assembly project. You just open it. So this is the first project that we have. This is the second project. So you get 2 projects here. In order to run one of the projects, you just need to first save it, and after that you need to type emulate. When you type emulate, you got this emulator screen. You can see the source code here. You can see the address of the memory, the registers, and the instructions here. So basically, in order to run your program, you just type run, or you can trace the code with a single step debugger here. But I don't want to do that. I just want to start with running the program. Just type run. So we got this project. The first project, the aim of this project is to enter the first number in decimal. So we need to enter a decimal number here. So for example, if I type 99 and then type 10, so let me just clear the selection because I put an invalid character here. So let me try restart it again, run it. So if just don't put any character. If I put, for example, 001 and then I delete this, so I gotta have something error here. See, but you need to type the correct number in this program. So you just go run. Let me just run it again. Okay, type for example 10, and down there type 22. So we get the sum is 32 and the product is 220. So this is the first program that I want to show you. I want to let you see the code later on. So this is the first program. Let me move on to the second project. So project number 2, open it. So we're gonna have this program. You need to read from a file, and after that you need to write into an output file. So let's run emulate and run the program. automatically. So we got this program. It's automatically running. So we read a string, as you can see in this program. We read a string from the input file. We need to convert each starting word with a capital letter. So we need to convert all these string into small letter, and after that we want to move with a loop across all the entire string and change each starting word letter for each word into a capital letter. So that we have I am an engineering student. You gotta have I am an engineering student with a capital letter. So notice here the difference. We have G capital here. So after converging to small letters for all the characters, we change it to small letter, and after that we got the final change with a starting capital letter in each starting word for this sentence. So this is the project number 2. So I'm just want to dive in the code here and let you to just give you a quick introduction about assembly language, how you could start with it. So first thing you need to know about assembly is the structure of the assembly program. So we have first the model. You can put model large, model small. I'm just put here small. You need to type the stack and the number for the stack, and we have here the data section when you declare all the strings and variables here. So you have data section. We have the code section, which is the most important one. We take this data section and load it into the start section by using this command move data and put it inside the AX, and then take the accumulator and put it inside the data segment. So this is the first thing you need to know, how to start the code, how to begin with the code section into assembly program. So here we started with the code section. We started here, and if you go to the end of this assembly code, you can see here we got end. So this is basically the structure. In order to put comments in assembly language, all you need to do is just put it, just put it semicolon. After that, you just type your comment that you want. So in the next tutorial, I'm just gonna dive in the code and let you to know how to declare variables, how to read from file, how to output into the screen, and also how to get content or get string from the keyboard, and how to bring it on the screen, and how to output the text into a file, and how to use functions and procedures, or let me say the calling and procedures, and using the jump function in assembly language. So you should at least be familiar with the syntax of assembly language and know how to declare variables, and how to know a little bit about the registers in the memory, including AX, DX, and BX, and the data segments and so forth. So in the next video, we're gonna show you a quick demo, and I'm trying to make it a very easy tutorial just to give you a demonstration of the syntax and the structure of the assembly program with these two projects that we have right now. So until the next video, be tuned and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. As all the time, Ahmed Nasser with you. So see you in the next video.